Good morning, dear students. Today topic is Newton's law of cooling. Statement is the rate of loss of heat that is minus dq by dt of a body is directly proportional to the difference of temperature that is del T is equal T minus Ts of the body and the surroundings. If del T is small. So here that is minus dq by dt is directly proportional to T minus Ts. Here it is a proportionality constant. If we remove, here I am taking a constant that is K. So therefore minus dq by dt is equal K into T minus Ts. This is known as Newton's law of cooling. Let us take, this is first equation where K is a positive constant and it depends on area and nature of surface of the body. From definition of specific heat capacity, we know small s is equal 1 by m into del q by del t. If del t is small, we can write 1 by m dq by dt. So from this dq is equal m s into dt. The rate of loss of heat is given by that is dq by dt is equal here d by dt of here dq is equal ms into dt. Here m s are constant, take outside, so that is ms dt by small dt. So let us take, this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write minus ms dt by dt is equal K into T minus Ts. So from this we can write dt by t minus ts is equal minus k by ms into dt. So here m and s are constant. So constant by constant, we can write constant. So that is dt by t minus ts is equal, we can write. So these are all are constant. So we can take a constant, that is k into dt. From this we can write dt by dt is equal minus k into t minus ts. Or integrating both sides, we can get log e base t minus ts is equal minus kt plus c. Experimental verification. The setup consists of a double-walled vessel containing water in between two walls. A copper calorimeter containing hot water is placed inside the double-walled vessel. Two thermometers through the cork are used to note the temperature of hot water in calorimeter, that is T, and the temperature of water in between two walls, that is Ts. Here the temperature of hot water in calorimeter is noted after equal interval of time, and a graph is plotted between log e base t minus ts and time t. The graph is a straight line with negative slope. So this is support this equation, that is log e base t minus ts is equal minus kt plus c. Here it is a straight line equation with negative slope. See the example problem 12.8. A pan filled with hot food cools from 94 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes. When the room temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius, how long will it take to cool from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius? In this problem, room temperature is given. That is Ts is equal 20 degree Celsius. Here hot food cool from 94 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes. So let us take this is first one. Hot food cool from 94 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes. That is time interval is 2 minutes. So here capital T is average temperature, that is 94 plus 86 by 2, that is equal 180 by 2, that is equal 90 degrees Celsius. Here temperature difference dt is equal 94 minus 86, so that is equal 8 degrees Celsius. By Newton law of cooling, minus dt by dt is equal k into t minus ts. Here dt is equal to 8 degrees Celsius, dt is equal to 2 minutes, t is equal to 90 degrees Celsius, ts is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. So from this 8 by 2 is equal k into here t is equal 90 minus ts is equal 20. That is called k into 90 minus 20, 70. From this, here k is equal 8 by 2 into, here it is 70. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 threes are 5, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are. So that is called k is called 2 by 35. Here the question is, at what time a hot body cool from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius. So in second case, hot body cool from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius in what time? So here T is equal average temperature, that is 71 plus 69 by 2 is equal 140 by 2, that is equal 70 degrees Celsius. dt is equal temperature difference, that is equal 71 minus 69, that is equal 2 degrees Celsius, by Newton law of cooling. We can write minus dt by dt is equal k into t minus ts. So here dt is equal 2 degrees Celsius, that is 2. Here we have to find dt. So that is dt is equal, we know k is equal 2 by 35. T is equal 70 minus ts is equal 20. So that is equal 2 by 35 into 70 minus 20, that is 50. From this dt is equal 2 into, here it is 35 by 2 into 1 by 50. Here 2 ones are cancel. 5 sevens are 5 tens are. So that is, here it is 0.7. Time taken for hot body cool from 71 degrees Celsius to 69 degrees Celsius is 0.7 minutes. So that is 42 seconds. See the sixth problem. A body cools from 60 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius in 7 minutes. What will be its temperature after next 7 minutes if the temperature of its surroundings is 10 degrees Celsius? In this problem, the temperature of surroundings is given, that is Ts is equal 10 degrees Celsius. Here first one is, a body cooled from 60 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius in 7 minutes. So dt is equal, time interval dt is equal 7 minutes. Here average temperature capital T is equal 60 plus 40 by 2, that is equal 100 by 2, that is equal 50 degrees Celsius. And temperature difference dt is equal 60 minus 40, that is equal 20 degree Celsius. By Newton law of cooling, minus dt by dt is equal k into t minus ts. Here dt is equal 20 degrees Celsius, 20 by dt is equal 7 minutes, that is equal k into t is equal 50 degrees Celsius minus ts is equal 10 degrees Celsius, that is equal k into 50 minus 10, 40. From this k is equal, we can write 20 by 7 into 40. Here 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So that is called, here K is called 1 by 7 2s are 14. Here the question is, what will be its temperature after next 7 minutes? So in second case, so the body cool from 60 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius in 7 minutes. So that is next 7 minutes means what? Here 40 degrees Celsius to, we don't know temperature. Let us take that is x degrees Celsius in 7 minutes. That is time interval is 7 minutes. Here we have to find x value. So here T is equal to what? Average temperature, that is 40 plus x by 2. Here dt is 40 minus x by Newton law of cooling minus dt by dt is equal k into t minus ts. So here dt is equal to how much? That is 40 minus x by, here dt is equal to 7 is equal, k value is 1 by 14 into, here t is equal 40 plus x by 2 minus, here ts is equal 10. Here 7 1s are 7 2s are. If we cross multiply, so we can get 2 into 40 minus x is equal 2 10s are 20. That is 40 plus x minus 20 by 2. So from this we can get 2 to the 4. 4 into 40 minus x is equal 40 minus 20. So that is 20 plus x. So here 4 4 the 160 minus 4x is equal 20 plus x. Take right side. So that is 4x plus x. 5x is equal 160 minus 20. That is equal 140. Therefore, x is equal 140 by 5. So here 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. So therefore, x is equal to how much? It is 28 degree Celsius.